Don't ever commit a crime, you'll talk.
Right.
You folded under pressure.
Yep.
The cops will have you talking in, what, 5 minutes.
Hey, Motorman here. I started this video with the very last exercise for a reason. But I want to let you know these two guys came all the way from South Carolina, rode 600 miles down here to take the class because they want it taught by me. I have a class in South Carolina, also have one in North Carolina. In fact, go to the website and look under training locations, and you'll see we've got classes all over the country. But they wanted to come down here and be taught specifically by me. They practiced before they got there, and as you can see from this shot of the very first exercise, they did well from the very beginning. I knew I was going to have an easy day, and I had a lot of fun with them at the same time.
We got two riders up from South Carolina, rode 600 miles just to take this course, and they are doing very well. They were apprehensive. I couldn't believe it, the way they're riding, but they were very apprehensive at first. Starting to get the hang of it after just the second exercise. They already had to narrow the gates down a bit because it was getting too easy for them. That's the big Victory Vision from the now defunct Victory Company owned by Polaris. Extremely nimble bike for its size with a great lean angle. I think it's like 34 degrees on that bike, and you need it because it's a big long motorcycle.
And of course, here it is from up above. As you can see, this is quick transitions from left to right, right to left, or you could say severe left turns and right turns. This helps the rider out on the road. If somebody pulls out in front of you, if you can't lean, turn, and swerve, chances of getting out of the way are extremely slim.
Now Joe is having him follow through so he could see the speed he should be and could be going if he got just a little bit more aggressive. Just a matter of turning the handlebars faster and further, turning the head and eyes faster and further. When you're following somebody like this, all you have to do is keep looking on that person. Don't worry about your head and eyes, because if you're looking at them, you're using your head and eyes. All right, here's the very first time in the intersection. It does it perfectly. Right now we got it set up at 27 feet wide by 36 long, but I'm going to narrow it down pretty quickly because these guys are doing very well. Excellent so far for the first time through. Make those turns tighter. When the bike is hopping like that, you got the clutch too far out. So you got to slip it better. Slip it a little more than what you're doing. So when the bike is doing that, that's what that is. You're too far into the friction zone. It's almost fully released. Your turns are a little wide. You're taking every inch of the 27 feet. And in about 5 minutes, I'm going to narrow this down to 24 feet. And you're going to be knocking over cones like crazy. So you better start tightening up those turns right now before we go to 24 feet. So that just means use more friction zone. Slip the clutch more. Don't let it out that far. All right, give me a circle. All right, we're doing it backwards. Right circles, right U-turns. Let's see if he can do it 3 times in a row. Hold on, Marcus. All right, that was 3 times in a row. That was extra skillfully. So what we're gonna do this time is I'm gonna have him get behind you. You're gonna go both of you at the same time. So if you drop your bike, he's gonna hit you.
Oh boy.
All right. All right, we're trying 2 bikes at one time. And the last rider was using no brake, so that's pretty damn good. Don't ever commit a crime, you'll talk. You folded under pressure.
Yep.
The cops will have you talking in, what, 5 minutes?
I wonder about you sometimes, Henry. You may fold under questioning.
All right, here we go. 3 bikes, no waiting.